Hi friends, I was mentioning that I'll try to get the details of FIIs, DAs and change in promoter holding. How much is the money which has drained out from the market in the previous quarter. It is based on the shareholding pattern of 4,000 plus companies, around 4,102 companies. Okay, so it is mentioned with the industry. This will be available in data under interactive channel for your trials. Even you may be able to find out a better reason or better findings out of this data. So let us go into details with the current market price and current market cap. I have given the details like number of shares, what is the promoter holding, pledged from how much is pledged by the promoters, change in promoter holding. Now I have given an equation. If there is a relationship, if the price corrected after offloading by all these players, I mean big players. I just wanted to calculate the difference of what is the impact in terms of money. So I have converted into promoter holding into crores of rupees. This is with the current market price, or else if you change this number, say for example, we assume that the promoter hold, whichever shares sold by these big players have corrected 20%, so we will get a figure and the sum of all the money which is being drained out from the market, or else or added, you can say, like DAs are continuously buying. So how much DAs have added, and this is the total of all this. So coming back again, see similarly FIA, what is the holding and how much is the FIA holding percentage change when it is converted, and I have change in promoter holding only is being converted into cash. Okay, so that we get whether there is the big players are offloading or not. Okay, and say for example like 10%, you will get that figure. Okay, I am calculating with it 0%. Now I have to get summary of these figures in industry, so I made a pivot table. So I have calculated this, but the problem with this pivot table is that it is not, we cannot easily handle it. So I made one more sorting thing so that we can analyze it in a better way. So when the price change happens, I'll explain when percentage is applied, how we will do it again. So let us see in data how much is the selling, say for example construction field. If I sort it as per promoter holding change, construction field 11,000 crore was offloaded by the company promoter holders. Likewise, if banking is the sector where FIIs have sold, private sector banks, not the PSU banks. Okay, then where FIIs or DAs are not interested is these are the industries: travel, power generation, mining, oil, this thing. So one more thing what I have wanted to check was in general what is the condition. So net change is 12,000 crore has been drained with the 0%. With the current market price, 12,000 crore has been drained from the market or sold by the big shots into the market. So then finance and investment. So altogether it comes to something around 17,500 crore. Then steel, construction, likewise. So on the other side, let us see which is the industry which is being which are interested by the major people, big shots. So one is engineering, the another one is refineries. Refineries, DAs are bullish, whereas FIIs are bearish. And healthcare, DAs as well as FIIs are bullish. Then mining, promoters are bullish, it looks like. And altogether the figure is whatever being sold by the FIIs and DAs are being more than that is being bought by these people, promoters in mining metals and minerals and metals. Likewise in even telecom also. So this is the data available. If someone want to check what is the industry, the industry which is which are the companies, rather say for example mining, minerals, we can go back and check it in this from this list. So we can find out where the money has been pushed into. So VEDL, Vedanta Limited 6,000 crore buyback was there. So that is the reason. So this is the way we can get more details about the data in both the ways. Say for example, let us consider that this figure, there was a 20%. Realistically, there some correction was there. So let us think that 20% correction was there. So I will refresh this data and simply copy and paste here. Figures have been changed. Now I can check it. See, this is the these are the figures. Okay. If they, so I have not catered for increase in power price for those shares which have been bought by these people, but straight away 20% of the price is deducted as correction happened. So this is the finding. I think this video will help you in your data analysis journey. So out of the fundamental data which I keep sharing in Data Hunter, you will be able to make such reports also. Even if you put in your efforts, sometimes you may find new ideas by which your investment decisions can be refined more and more. Thank you for watching this video.